Hey incoming Bulldogs, my name is Macy Keisler. I'm a current first year student and Housing Street Team member here for UGA, and I'm so excited to welcome you back to First Year First Look. In today's episode, we're going over what all to expect when you're going to a traditional first year only dorm, so come along. So on the UGA Housing website, you're gonna wanna go to the Explore Options tab under incoming students. So you're gonna sort to the first year only dorms to find our traditional first year only residence halls. All of these residence halls are going to be a double room with a community bathroom. The community bathroom is a bathroom that is shared either among people on your hall or on your wing, and these are cleaned twice every weekday by housing staff. On each of these traditional halls, visitation is going to be restricted, and if you're interested in seeing what that means your visitation rules are, you can go to the housing website and click on restricted. All of our traditional halls are going to be closed for Thanksgiving, winter break, and spring break, but if you want to learn more about that, you can go into each individual residence hall and see what their closure policies are. There's more locations than just our first year only halls, and if you want to learn about that, you can tune in next week. But no matter where you pick to live, I can guarantee you'll love it. With that, happy residence hall searching, and as always, go Dogs!